Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working through side A of your assignment that's due, and it's about equal groups and it's about what you can eat. And so we are going to do side A together. If you will just click on that assignment and open it with Cami, then we are going to touch on our drawing tools and stretch this out so we can really see it. The directions say to read each problem and record the information on the organizer. You can look at the example, then solve the problem, circle the answer, and label it with the correct units. So in the example where Sarah had 24 grapes and she put 6 of the grapes in each cup, and we want to know how many cups she used. Well, we've got grapes and we're looking for our cups. So that's an automatic D1, right? And if I were completing this, I probably would have written D1 out to the side. But you can tell that the 24 grapes was the total number of grapes, and 6 was how many grapes in each cup. And so when you divide 26 by 4, you get 4, and the answer is 4 cups. Let's go ahead and let's look at problem 1. Corey had 30 pieces of pineapple. I'm going to circle that. He put 5 of the pieces in each dessert glass. So I want you to picture Corey with a bunch of pineapple. And I want you to see that he's putting the pineapple in dessert glasses, but he's putting the same amount in each glass. And I want to know how many glasses did he use. So I've got pieces in. I'm looking for glasses, which is an automatic D1, like we talked about yesterday. And we're going to go through and put this information on here. So we're talking about pineapple, and we know that the total amount that he has is 30 pieces. And I'm going to put 30 P for pieces. Now, the story tells us that he puts 5 pieces in each glass. So I'm going to put 5 P for pieces in each. And then we are looking for the number of groups, which is how many glasses did he use. So because I've already got my total and I'm looking for the number of groups and I know where it's a D1, my equation is going to be 30 divided by 5 in each is how many? So let's count by 5 until we get to 30 and we'll figure out how many glasses he used. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I counted 6 times, which means he used 6 glasses, which is our answer. All right, very good. Let's move on to number 2. We've only got 2 problems today, but then we're also going to talk about how to do the dividing at the bottom. I love this page. I don't want you to be nervous about it because you're going to do great. All right, let's listen to story 2. Mai had 21 orange slices. So I want you to picture her. I want you to picture with a bunch of orange slices. She put 7 slices on each plate. So I want you to picture her with a bunch of plates and notice that she's putting the same amount on each plate. And the question wants to know, how many plates did she use? I've got slices and I'm looking for plates, which is an automatic D1, which means we already know we're dividing. If you want to go ahead and put that there. So the 21 orange slices that Mai had was the total amount. So I'm going to put 21 OS for orange slices. Or you know what? I could just put S for slices. She put 7 slices on each plate. So 7S on each. And we are looking for how many plates did she use? So I've got 21 slices divided by 7 in each group. So now I'm going to count by 7s to 21. Are you ready? 7, 14, 21. Oh, I counted 3 times. So I've got 3 plates, which is my answer. Now I want you to look down at the bottom where it says divide, and I do not want you to be nervous about this. Number 1, we're counting by 5s on every problem. And when you think about a division problem, I know it says 35 divided by 5, but remember you can also think about those in this way. You can think, how many times will I count by 5 until I get to the whole, which is 35? So let's do that together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It took me 7 times, so 7 is my answer. That wasn't so bad, was it? All right, let's try 40 divided by 5. How many 5s are there in 40? How many times will I count by 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I counted 8 times, so 8 is my answer. All right, let's go to the next one. 20 divided by 5. How many 5s are in 20? 5, 10, 15, 20. I counted 4 times. You guys got this. You're doing such a good job. Ooh, let's do 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Wow, all 10 fingers. All right, 4 more. You're doing great. 25 divided by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I counted 5 times. How many 5s in 30? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So there are 6 5s. How many 5s in 15? 5, 10, 15. Only 3. And the last one. How many 5s in 45? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I have 9 5s in 45. Boys and girls, that is it for our assignment today. I want you to look. We did these 2 together. They're both D1. I want you to look, scroll down on the side. They're very similar, except this time you're counting by 6s. Now, if you're a scholar that does not have your 6s finished, I want you to go all the way back to the beginning last week, and I posted those posters for you about each of your multiples, and I want you to pull that multiples of 6 up, and I want you to open it, and you can click back and forth on your files, and I want you to look at it. If it helps you to write those multiples down out to the side and then use them to help you count, I want you to do it. I want you to use your tools today to be successful. And then when you're finished, you're just going to hit submit, and it will send straight to Google Classroom for me to grade. You've been doing a great job letting me know if you have any troubles. Moms and dads, there was a glitch somehow in Cami yesterday with one of the classrooms. All but one student was able to submit a practice. So if you have any troubles, let me know. Also, I want to let you know that I have had parents who've had trouble. Just minimize the screen, and then with your phone, with your smartphone, just take a picture of the work that's been completed and then just send it to me as a snapshot in my email, or even upload it into Google Classroom, whatever's easier for you. I just want your student to get credit for the work that they've done, and I also need the grades to be able to count towards their documentation for their annual goals. Otherwise, it will be really difficult, and I hate to say that we didn't address it for the rest of the school year just because the assignments are difficult to do because of technology. So again, just let me know if you have troubles, and I will see you guys later. Great job today. Bye-bye.